Dana, if it's going to be as cold as it is, might as well have the snow on the ground, right?
I agree. It kind of makes me feel like I'm in a Hallmark movie.
Yes, yeah, it just makes everything a bit more pretty.
Very festive, and we actually have a little bit of snow to talk about in the 7-day forecast, and the first of which is going to come in overnight tonight. But across the day today, here's a look at some of our high temperatures, similar to yesterday, and overall warmer than it has been lately, but still much below where we should be for this time of year. Our normal high temperature is actually still in the 40s for areas of southern Maine, so when you see temperatures like this, you tend to think of February instead of the beginning to middle of December. So we did have some sunshine earlier in the day, but saw increasing clouds throughout the afternoon ahead of our clipper system, and we're just starting to see a little bit of that snow start to move in. I'm not sure if some of this snow here is hitting the ground yet, so if you're in areas of western Maine, send me a report and let me know if the radar is reading true in that area. Regardless, we will continue to see an increase in snowfall activity overnight accordance with a clipper system. So this clipper is going to move through fairly quickly, and it doesn't have a ton of moisture with it, so we won't see too much snow. So by about 9 p.m., moving through areas of central Maine, and then moving through areas of down east Maine just after midnight or so, but by 3 in the morning, areas of western Maine have already cleared out of the snow. I think it'll be the heaviest in areas of down east Maine too. That's where it's going to be the strongest. And by morning commute time tomorrow, the snow at that point is going to be completely gone. However, it is going to be a very cold day, so I wouldn't be surprised if it is a little bit slippery for the morning commute, just because you'll have that fresh snow and it'll be very cold, so there might be some ice formation there. A lot of sunshine in the afternoon on Monday. However, take a look at some of these temperatures. 0 in Greenville at 5 p.m., so a lot of sunshine, but it'll be breezy and it'll be very, very cold. And then on Tuesday, starting out the day with some more sunshine, increasing clouds in the afternoon ahead of the next clipper system. In the week of clippers, that will be bringing some snowfall across the state Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Not expecting a ton of accumulation with that one. So here's a look at that snowfall forecast for tonight into very, very early tomorrow morning. The large majority of the state is in this 1 to 3. I think areas of down east Maine could see a little bit more than that, up to maybe 4 or 5 inches. And then far northern and far southern Maine are going to see the least, a coating to about 1 inch. It's also going to be pretty windy during the day tomorrow, and that helps our wind chill temperatures feel even colder. So a lot of us will be starting the day with feels like temperatures below 0. Even as we get into the afternoon with all of that sunshine, feels like temperatures still in the single digits or below 0 in areas of northern Maine. And wow, by about 10 p.m., almost the entire state with feels like temperatures below 0. So a very, very cold day on tap for tomorrow. The next clipper system, the larger one, there is a very small one, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, will be Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. We'll keep an eye on that one, but it looks like it's going to be more rain closer to the coast and then some snow in areas of the mountains. Marine forecast sees 3 to 6 feet. Ocean temperature is 46, and that gale warning is in effect starting tomorrow at 7 a.m. It's because it is going to be pretty windy. We will have a lot of sunshine during the day tomorrow, but bitterly cold, just frigid, especially with those wind chill temperatures. And then increasing clouds on Tuesday with a very light clipper system that goes through Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Not expecting a lot of snowfall there. And then a warmer system on Wednesday. That's actually our best chance to get back into the 40s. It'll be the warmest day of that 7-day forecast. So Sam, we have a kind of a little bit of everything going into this. We have a little bit of snow tonight, some sunshine tomorrow, then perhaps temperatures being a little bit more seasonable by about midweek.
All right, thanks for tracking it, Dana.